In this video, we listed the 20 best TikTok viral kitchen finds for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name, Vegetable Scrubber. The 5pcs Multicolor Vegetable Scrubber is a practical kitchen gadget designed to make cleaning fruits and vegetables easier and more efficient. Each scrubber features a finger holder for a secure grip, ensuring better control while scrubbing. Made from flexible materials, these scrubbers can effectively remove dirt and residues from various produce like potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, and other fruits and vegetables. The set includes multiple vibrant colors, making it both functional and visually appealing. Ideal for home cooks and kitchen enthusiasts, this multi-purpose brush is a handy tool for maintaining clean, fresh produce while preparing meals. Product 2. Product name, Alfred Griller's Meat Thermometer Digital. The Alfred Griller's Meat Thermometer Digital is an essential kitchen gadget for precise temperature readings while cooking, grilling, or using an air fryer or griddle. Designed for convenience, this instant-read food thermometer provides accurate results within seconds, making it perfect for barbecue enthusiasts and home cooks alike. It features a durable probe, ensuring reliable readings for meats, baked goods, or even candy making. Given your interest in kitchen appliances and baking tools, this thermometer aligns well with your needs, offering an easy-to-use solution for perfectly cooked meals. Additionally, if you're considering it as a Father's Day gift or for someone who enjoys grilling, its compact design and practicality make it a thoughtful and functional choice. Product 3. Product name, Atoto Red the Crab Silicone Utensil Rest. The Atoto Red the Crab Silicone Utensil Rest is a fun and functional kitchen accessory that aligns with your interest in baking tools and household kitchen appliances. This heat-resistant silicone spoon rest is designed to keep cooking utensils in place while preventing spills and messes on countertops or stovetops. Its non-slip design ensures stability, making it a reliable stove organizer for everyday cooking. Beyond its practical use, Red the Crab serves as a steam releaser, meaning it can securely hold a spoon over a steaming pot, adding an element of convenience to meal preparation. The whimsical crab design makes it an excellent kitchen gift for anyone who enjoys creative and functional kitchen gadgets. Given your interest in high-quality and durable kitchen tools, this utensil rest could be a great addition to your collection, offering both charm and practicality. Product 4. Product name, Yaramate 2pcs Olive Oil Dispenser. The Yaramate 2pcs Olive Oil Dispenser is a versatile 2-in-1 oil sprayer and dispenser designed for cooking enthusiasts who value convenience and precision in their kitchen tools. This set includes two 16 ounces, 470 milliliters, glass bottles, one in white and black, featuring a food-grade design suitable for various cooking applications such as salads, frying, barbecue, and baking. The unique dual functionality allows users to either spray or pour oil, giving greater control over oil distribution, whether for light misting on salads or controlled pouring for cooking. Given the user's interest in baking tools, household kitchen appliances, and precision cooking accessories like digital meat thermometers, this oil dispenser aligns perfectly with their needs. It complements healthy cooking by promoting better portion control and minimizing excess oil usage. The glass construction ensures durability and easy cleaning, making it a practical addition to a modern kitchen. Product 5. Product name, Chinese Soup Dumpling Kit. A Chinese soup dumpling kit is a fantastic DIY cooking set designed for making traditional xiaolongbao, or soup dumplings, at home. This kit typically includes pre-measured ingredients, a bamboo steamer, dumpling wrappers, and a step-by-step guide to help both beginners and experienced cooks master the art of dumpling making. Perfect for cooking enthusiasts. Given your interest in baking tools and household kitchen appliances, this kit aligns well with your passion for hands-on cooking experiences. It offers a fun and engaging way to create authentic, restaurant-quality dumplings from scratch, making it a great addition to any home kitchen. A thoughtful gift option. The kit is also marketed as a unique gift, especially for women who love to cook, making it a great choice for Valentine's Day, a romantic and interactive cooking experience. Easter and holidays, a fun family activity that brings people together. Wives and food lovers, a personalized gift that caters to their culinary creativity. Product 6. Product name: Unanner's Soft Serve Maker. The Unanner's Classic Original Healthy Dessert Fruit Soft Serve Maker is a 200-watt kitchen appliance designed for creating creamy, dairy-free frozen treats using just fruit. This appliance aligns well with the user's interest in baking tools and household kitchen appliances, as it provides a fun and healthy way to make desserts at home. With its simple operation, the Unanner's machine turns frozen bananas, berries, mangoes, and other fruits into a soft serve consistency without needing added sugar, dairy, or preservatives. Its compact design and easy-to-clean parts make it a convenient addition to a modern kitchen. Given the user's interest in kitchen gadgets like digital meat thermometers and baking tools, the Unanner's Soft Serve Maker could be a great complement to their collection, offering a quick and healthy dessert option alongside their culinary tools. Product 7. Product name: Stainless Steel Butter Spreader. A stainless steel butter spreader is a versatile 3-in-1 kitchen gadget designed to make spreading butter, margarine, or cream cheese effortless. Typically crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this tool combines a butter knife, a spreader, and a curling tool in one compact design. The serrated edge allows for easy slicing, while the perforations help create delicate butter curls for smooth application on bread, toast, or bagels. Given your interest in baking tools and household kitchen appliances, this butter spreader complements your kitchen setup by enhancing efficiency and reducing mess. Its durable, rust-resistant construction ensures longevity, making it an essential addition for both casual and professional use. Whether you're preparing breakfast or working on intricate baking projects, this tool helps achieve precision and ease in handling butter and spreads. Product 8. Product name: Sushi Making Kit. The Sushi Making Kit is a complete set designed for beginners and sushi enthusiasts to create homemade sushi with ease. This kit includes essential tools such as a bazooka roller, which simplifies the rolling process, and various molds for making onigiri, nigiri, musubi, and rice balls. It also features a bamboo rolling mat for traditional sushi rolling, a knife for precise cuts, and a guidebook to help users master different sushi making techniques. Given the user's interest in kitchen appliances and baking tools, this sushi kit aligns well with their passion for home cooking. The inclusion of a rice cooker ensures perfect sushi rice preparation, making it a convenient all-in-one package. Whether for personal use or hosting sushi nights, this kit offers a fun and practical way to enjoy Japanese cuisine at home. Product 9. Product name: Life-Proof Ceramic Coating Spray Kit. The Life-Proof Ceramic Coating Spray Kit is an innovative solution designed to protect and enhance the surfaces of your kitchen and bathroom. This product forms a protective layer that repels stains, grime, and water, making it easier to maintain clean and spotless surfaces. It is ideal for countertops, sinks, and other high-traffic areas prone to exposure to oils, food spills, and water stains. The ceramic coating provides a long-lasting shield that maintains the shine and finish of your surfaces, effectively reducing the need for frequent cleaning. By sealing the surfaces, it creates a smooth, non-stick barrier that makes grime and stains easier to wipe away, ensuring that your kitchen and bath surfaces stay pristine with minimal effort. In the context of your interest in household tools and appliances, the Life-Proof Ceramic Coating Spray Kit offers an efficient way to keep your kitchen and bathroom looking new, making it a valuable addition to your cleaning and maintenance routine. Product 10. Product name: Flairosol OLIVIA Oil Sprayer. The Flairosol OLIVIA Oil Sprayer is a sleek and efficient kitchen accessory designed for easy and controlled oil dispensing. It features a 200 ml glass bottle with a stylish green design and elegant gold print, adding a touch of sophistication to any kitchen setup. This continuous cooking spray offers portion control, making it ideal for a variety of cooking needs like air frying, salad preparation, BBQs, or general kitchen use. The oil sprayer allows for even distribution of oil, ensuring a fine mist is delivered to your food, which helps reduce the amount of oil used while maintaining flavor. It's especially useful for people looking to cut down on excess fat in their meals, making it a great choice for those interested in healthy cooking. With its easy-to-use mechanism and sturdy glass construction, the Flairosol OLIVIA Oil Sprayer blends convenience with durability, offering a practical and eco-friendly solution for home cooks. Product 11. Product name G-Del Rotary Cheese Grater. The G-Del Rotary Cheese Grater is a versatile kitchen tool that combines functionality and convenience, making it an excellent addition to any household kitchen. It features a mandolin vegetable slicer with 3 interchangeable blades, allowing users to grate and slice a variety of ingredients, including cheese, fruits, vegetables, and nuts. Its rotary design ensures efficient and quick grating or slicing, reducing the need for manual effort and offering a smoother experience in food preparation. This easy-to-clean grater slicer is designed with practicality in mind, ensuring that cleanup is hassle-free. Its robust build and compact design make it ideal for everyday use, while the multiple blade options provide versatility for different cutting styles and textures. Whether you're preparing salads, soups, or garnishes, the G-Del Rotary Cheese Grater offers a reliable solution for effortlessly shredding and slicing ingredients to perfection. This tool is an excellent choice for those looking for efficient, time-saving kitchen gadgets to enhance their culinary tasks. Product 12. Product name Refrigerator Deodorizer. A refrigerator deodorizer is a practical and highly effective solution for eliminating unpleasant odors inside your fridge. Unlike traditional methods like baking soda, these deodorizers often utilize advanced materials, such as bamboo charcoal, to absorb moisture and neutralize odors. The refrigerator deodorizer you mentioned is designed to last for up to 10 years, making it a long-term, eco-friendly option for keeping your fridge fresh. It works by trapping odor-causing particles and moisture, preventing them from lingering on food or in the air. These deodorizers are often marketed as more effective than baking soda, providing better results in reducing odors over time. The bamboo charcoal in particular is known for its air-purifying properties, making it a great choice for those looking to reduce kitchen odors naturally without relying on chemical sprays or air fresheners. Product 13. Product name Atoto Splatypus Jar Spatula. The Atoto Splatypus Jar Spatula is a fun and unique kitchen gadget that combines both functionality and creativity, perfect for foodies who enjoy playful and practical tools in the kitchen. This spatula is designed for scooping, scraping, and spreading, making it ideal for various kitchen tasks, such as spreading crepes, scraping the last bits of sauce from a jar, or stirring ingredients. Made from BPA-free, 100% food-safe materials, it ensures durability and safety in food preparation. The Splatypus is shaped like a quirky, friendly character, adding an element of fun to cooking while providing a reliable and easy-to-use tool for everyday kitchen needs. Its versatility, combined with its whimsical design, makes it a perfect gift for those who appreciate innovative kitchen gadgets. Product 14. Product name Kitchen Mamar Auto Electric Can Opener. The Kitchen Mamar Auto Electric Can Opener is a user-friendly and innovative kitchen tool designed for effortless can opening. With a simple press of a button, this automatic, hands-free can opener makes opening cans a breeze. It's battery-operated, offering convenience without the need for manual effort. The smooth edge technology ensures that cans are opened safely and without sharp edges, making it a safer option, especially for those with limited hand strength or mobility. The compact and ergonomic design makes it easy to store and use, and its vibrant "Yes You Can" red color adds a pop of fun to your kitchen. This tool is perfect for anyone looking for a quick and hassle-free way to open cans, particularly in busy kitchens or for individuals with arthritis or limited dexterity. Product 15. Product name Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. The Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set is an innovative kitchen accessory designed for convenience and efficiency. This rechargeable automatic pepper mill grinder set, 2-pack, black and white, offers a seamless one-hand operation, allowing you to easily season your dishes while cooking or dining. The grinders feature an adjustable coarseness function, giving you control over the texture of your salt or pepper, whether you prefer a fine or coarse grind. Equipped with an LED light, this set ensures precise seasoning even in low-light environments. The rechargeable battery eliminates the need for constant battery replacements, making it a more sustainable option. Perfect for everyday use in the kitchen, the sleek black and white design adds a modern touch to your cooking tools, complementing various kitchen styles. Product 16. Product name OMAIA 2-in-1 Dish Soap Dispenser. The OMAIA 2-in-1 Dish Soap Dispenser with Sponge Holder is a smart and convenient kitchen gadget designed to streamline your dishwashing routine. This innovative product serves as both a soap dispenser and a sponge holder, helping to keep your countertop neat and organized. With its compact design, it provides easy access to dish soap and a sponge in one spot, reducing clutter in the kitchen. This sink countertop organizer is perfect for those who appreciate functionality in their kitchen gadgets. The pump mechanism allows for one-handed soap dispensing, which makes it quick and easy to apply soap while washing dishes. The sponge holder is integrated into the design, so your sponge stays within reach, dry, and free from any mess. It's ideal for users looking for a more efficient and space-saving solution, especially in smaller kitchen spaces. Product 17. Product name Stainless Steel Multifunction Kitchen Peeler. The 304 Stainless Steel Multifunction Kitchen Peeler with a solid wood handle is a highly practical tool for any kitchen. Designed for durability and sharpness, its 304 stainless steel blade effortlessly peels vegetables and fruits with ease. Whether you're preparing potatoes, carrots, apples, or other produce, this peeler's precision allows for quick and smooth peeling without wasting food. The solid wood handle ensures a comfortable grip, making it easy to use for extended periods without causing hand strain. This multifunction peeler is an essential tool for anyone who enjoys cooking or baking, especially when paired with other kitchen gadgets. Its durable design guarantees long-lasting performance, making it a reliable addition to your collection of essential kitchen tools. Product 18. Product name Electric Warming Tray. The electric warming tray is a versatile and convenient appliance designed to keep food at the perfect temperature during gatherings, parties, or everyday use. It features full surface heating to ensure even warmth across the entire tray, keeping multiple dishes at an ideal serving temperature. Its rollable and portable design makes it easy to move, store, and use in various settings, whether it's a family dinner or a larger event. Crafted with premium silicone nanomaterial, the tray is durable, heat-resistant, and easy to clean. It also offers 3 temperature settings, allowing users to adjust the warmth according to the type of food being served. For added safety, the auto shut-off feature ensures the tray powers down after a certain period, preventing overheating and conserving energy. The electric warming tray is an excellent addition to your kitchen or event setup, enhancing the convenience of meal prep and serving. Product 19. Product name Ecolution Patented Micropop. The Ecolution Patented Micropop Microwave Popcorn Popper offers a convenient, eco-friendly way to make popcorn at home. It is designed with temperature-safe glass, ensuring durability and safe use in the microwave. The 3-in-1 lid is a standout feature, as it not only measures kernels for the perfect portion size but also melts butter simultaneously, making it easier to create a delicious snack. The popper is made without BPA, ensuring that no harmful chemicals leach into your food during the popping process. Additionally, the popper is dishwasher safe, making cleanup simple and hassle-free. With a 3-quart capacity, it allows for making large batches of popcorn, perfect for family movie nights or gatherings. The stylish aqua color adds a fun and vibrant touch to your kitchen accessories, making it both functional and aesthetically appealing. Product 20. Product name Vegetable Chopper. The Mueller Pro Series 10-in-1 8-blade vegetable chopper is an essential kitchen gadget designed to streamline food preparation. Perfect for busy individuals or home chefs, this versatile tool serves multiple functions, including chopping, dicing, mincing, slicing, and even making French fries. The chopper comes equipped with 8 interchangeable blades, allowing users to easily customize their cutting options for different vegetables, fruits, and even eggs. It includes a container for catching chopped ingredients, making cleanup a breeze. The onion mincer and egg slicer functions are particularly helpful for meal prep and salads, while the French fry cutter and potato slicer offer a quick and easy way to create uniform fries for cooking. As part of essential home kitchen gadgets, this chopper helps save time, reduce effort, and improve the consistency of food cuts. Its compact design also makes it easy to store in any kitchen, making it an ideal tool for those who want to make meal prep easier and faster.